You're thinking on installing a swimming pool, although we have a major drought going on. In this video, we'll talk about 3 tips that will help you conserve water in your swimming pool. Hello, my name is JC. I'm the CEO and co-founder here at J Designs Pool and Spa. California is known to have a drought season, and clients ask us all the time how to conserve water. After watching this video, you'll be confident to move forward in your swimming pool project. So let's get started with tip number 1. Pool covers help tremendously conserve water. They sit on top of the pool and they don't allow any evaporation. A lot of the times also people are not aware that wind literally evaporates a lot of water. So having a cover on top of the water will minimize the loss of water through the wind, and of course helping the water to stay there and maintaining also some temperature into your pool. You can also conserve water by checking water leaks. If you look around your swimming pool equipment, if you have any drops, any water or stagnating water, also around the swimming pool area, and sometimes that is very visible. You can also use a bucket test to check for water leaks. And basically the bucket test is a bucket full of water at a certain level, and it needs to be at the same level as the pool water level. After a few days, you will notice with the equipment off that the swimming pool water level is lower than the water inside the bucket. That will determine if the pool is losing water, and it's a very simple method to test leaks. Limiting the splashing will also help you conserve water. If you're having a party or a lot of people coming for a barbecue, if you do games or you entertain people and you ask them not to jump, not to splash too much, and do other types of games or entertainment in the water as well, that will save you a lot of water in the long run. Now that you learned 3 tips about conserving water, now you can feel confident about pursuing your swimming pool project. Check out our Learning Center and learn more about swimming pool construction. And when you're ready to dive into swimming pool construction, please make an appointment.